making me laugh because I need to play the song. You're a bad bitch too, whoever said that. Sit back and let the sun light in my life. I sang a hymn to bring me peace, and then it came. Oh, melody, it felt so sweet. It felt so strong. It made me feel like I belong. And all the sadness inside me melted away like I was free. I found what I've been looking for. Found a life worth living for someone else. Never thought that I could be happy, happy. Don't go out much at all. I've never been. I realize to be happy, maybe I need a little company. So now you know it all, that I was desperately alone. I hadn't found the one for me. I found what I've been looking for in myself. Found a life worth living for someone else. Never thought that I could be happy, happy. I believe impossibility. I believe someone's watching over me.